Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, we're going to talk about how to solve VAL error code 43, which is going to be this one right here. So the first thing you're going to do right now is head over to your desktop. Should be this one. Now, once you're going to be under your desktop, please go to Task Manager. To go there, simply click on your key right here, right-click Task Manager, or basically on the Windows key, type it up. Task Manager right there. So you're going to see this one. Just expand it a little bit. Perfect. So we're looking for Vanguard right here and Valorant. As you can see, Vanguard 3 notification is running, as well as Riot, if I'm not mistaken. So as you can see right here, Valorant is not really running because I haven't played just for now. So let's just say this Vanguard is going to be everything we're looking for. So everything that says Vanguard, everything that says Riot and Valorant, place and task. Once that's done, you have to go through your files, looking for local disk C, and looking for program files. Do not click the one that has an 86, okay? Look for program files there. Look for Riot Games or Riot Vanguard. The folder itself, you should delete it. So please don't worry that you might affect your game, because after you run Valorant, Riot Game will reinstall Riot Vanguard. Basically that's it, so restart your PC and VAL43 will now be solved. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.